Hi everyone. This is my first podcast on 23rd of January 2024. So I have been learning a lot of self improvement and self development techniques and tools. And recently, what I was coming across in my situation was that because of all this, or in fact, I can just leave the because let me just come to the thing which I want to talk about is it's all about the comparison. That feeling of comparison or emotion we all feel, I think multiple times in a day, due to whatever reason. It could be comparison to regarding our health, it could be comparison regarding our relationships, it could be comparison regarding our job or money, right? So we come across multiple people's every day in front of us or on the social media, right? And I'm sure all of you would have certainly, at the back of the mind, you would have that feeling, oh, if it is, let's say, about your career, and if you see somebody has posted a very good content, right? And they're really doing very good in their profession or the job, and you have been also trying to do the similar work, let's say. So suddenly there will be a comparison in your mind. Okay, how are they able to do it? So efficiently. Why I'm not able to do it, or when will I be able to do it? Right. So all those feeling of lack started to come as soon as this comparison steps in. Okay. It could be even in terms of your relationship. Let's say you've visited to a friend's house. A very typical scenario. If you see, the husband is helping in all the house chores, cooking also, and at your home the situation is not the same. So it's much obvious that you would want to have that situation, right? So it's basically something you don't have currently, and what you want comes in front of you, right? It's shown to you in some form, and from there the comparison begins, right? So I have been facing this also a lot, and I think I became aware because I've been also doing an awareness practice. So, well, it has been there earlier also, but maybe I think now I become a consciously aware, and when the people are sharing the results, or when people are sharing some other stuff, right? I do feel that okay, when will I be able to share my results, or when will I be able to reach that milestone, right? And for that momentarily moment, it takes me into a little low frequency, right? Because yes, I mean, comparison is not a very high frequency emotion or feeling. So I've been asking, and I've been going through some of the learnings and some of the things which get posted about this. And yes, one of the way which I got to know was that whenever you have a comparison, a feeling of lack, you can start saying that start blessing that person and start seeing them that okay, at energy level we are one. So start showing happiness towards your progress, so that you feel that at energy level, because we are one, so their happiness is my happiness, right? Their success is my success. Well, yes, it just sounds simple. So I also tried it a couple of times, and it might have worked sometimes, uh, but lately I found no, it wasn't working for me. I was saying it, maybe it was just saying it, it was not coming, that feeling of ease was not coming, right? Because I also want to work on my goal, I also want to take action, right? So saying that okay, in your happiness it's my happiness, yes, of course, but at the same time I also want to feel that experience at my end, right? So I've been contemplating and thinking, okay, so what should I do, or what should be a best way to go, not feel bad, basically, right? So how I went about is, and for sure, if it resonates with you, please, try to apply it in your life. But at the same time, I would say just take this as my experience. But at the same time, it necessarily has to be followed by you. For you, if it doesn't resonate, please listen to that. Please listen to your mind, listen to your body, and start questioning yourself that what is the best way for me to feel balanced when I get this feeling of comparison. See, the experience which I have, or what I'm sharing, or the learning which I have for sharing, is it was for me, right? Maybe if the comparison is coming for you in your life, it has come for maybe the same lesson or maybe for a different lesson, right? If it is for a different lesson, then you will not be able to resonate. And at that time, you have to basically, start questioning yourself. Start asking universe ki, show me show me the way that how I can be balanced in this feeling of comparison. But first of all, before anything we go into the contemplation or deep diving, first and foremost thing here is that accept accept this feeling of comparison. Now, what does that mean? Acceptance means, see, comparison. What happens is all those feelings like comparison, jealousy, guilt we have, where backsided them. Like, okay, no, they are not supposed to come. If they come, I'm not a good person. But it's not that way. We are human at the end, right? No matter how spiritual awakening we have, at the physical level, we are still humans, and we have taken a birth to actually experience all the emotions, right? So, if the comparison feeling is coming, first of all, be grateful and say, okay, at least I am able to feel this emotion. Accept that, yes, it's an emotion, it has come to me. And if I'm not feeling okay having this, comparison emotion, let me just find the way out of it, okay? But don't say what you say now, don't like neglect it, or don't try to move it away or shut it down. No, I can't have this comparison film, how can I have it? I'm doing so much of meditation, and but still I'm comparing it to others, right? So don't go into that rabbit hole, is what I'm saying. So have that understanding, yes, it's an emotion, it has come to me, it has come to me to show me some learning or show me some clarity that what I need to learn from this emotion if I'm not feeling okay about it. So that's how I started accepting this first. First is the acceptance. Second is, for me, what was coming was that, okay, if the comparison is, and I'm doing, that when I look at something, if that comparison is coming, let me just take it as an inspiration. Inspiration is in sense that which can drive me to take an action. Okay. So it is the comparison for me is working as an inspiration that, okay, that person has come in my space, okay, to just, give me a push that, okay, Sonali, take a similar inspiration, take some ideas from there and start doing some action. But at the same time, I'm not telling that feeling guilty, or I'm not saying, okay, oh, why didn't I take action? If I have taken action, I would have reached far beyond this, right? So, no. So, for me, it was like comparison is simply an inspiration for me to take an action in a step manner, okay? Small steps. So, that's what I'm taking it from, this feeling of emotion, which feeling of comparison rather, sorry, not emotion, feeling of comparison, that it's not bad, it's good, it has come for me to grow, it has come for me to evolve. And secondly, I don't need to blindly follow what everyone else is saying or everyone else is suggesting, right? If it's not resonating with me, it is not resonating with me at this moment of time. Maybe it did earlier, but for now. See, something, what I also learned is that something which we considered as a negative cannot be immediately substituted with by bringing such a high vibration statements or frequency. Understand that it's a gradual process. So slowly, it's like a bache ko, that child, how you calm them down, right? Or slowly, when the child is crying, we just, start making them laugh aloud, right? It slowly console them down and then bring them to a balanced state, and from there we bring them to the joyful state. So the same way, whenever any negative emotion that you feel is coming, don't directly jump into the contrasting state immediately, like from comparison where I can just simply turn into a acceptance state altogether, of where, okay, where I'm saying, okay, their success is my success, their happiness is my happiness. Of course, yes, we do that, right? We do it with our siblings, we do it with our family members. When your husband or your children get a promotion, you are happy, right? You are happy. So it's not that you're not happy in others' progress. You are. But at this time, for this moment, this is a learning which I got through universe, through several, I would say, a days of questioning and understanding that what is that feeling is trying to tell me, what is that feeling has come to help me grow, and where I need to grow. And yeah, I mean, for now, well, this is the inspiration, but maybe sometime later, if this feeling becomes again strong, then again I have to ask, maybe there was some other learning which I have to do, right? And eventually, yes, the point might come where I would not get bothered about at all what others are doing and what I am doing, right? So yes, so I'm open to that states, and this is what I wanted to share. So in small, own your feeling, ask questions to yourself. Your soul, your inner intuition knows the best answer which is best for you, and don't blindly follow whatever is there out in the social media, out in the YouTube, out in the books. See, those have come, there's definitely those are right, but those have come from their experiences, their personal experiences. It may or may not sometimes resonate with you, but yes, that would give you a good start to start questioning yourself, to start contemplating yourself. So thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me and holding this space. Have a great day. Bye.